Welcome back to Tanner Style. I'm Oliver Tanner. We're here in Osawatomie, and today we are making a video for Memorial Day. Okay, so today we are going to be doing a little bit of cooking for Memorial Day. We're just going to do something really simple. I went and I got some little bratwurst. We're going to just roast them on a stick over the fire. And pretty simple. So I'll just meet you over by the fire and we're going to get those going and we're going to have a little talk. Okay, so we're all just kind of chilling here, roasting wieners over the fire. And I just want to talk a little bit about Memorial Day. I didn't really want to do a big cooking video for Memorial Day. I'd rather more just kind of do, I guess, my yearly PSA on Memorial Day. So I'm a veteran, right? I served 8 years in the Air Force. And today, the day that we're filming, is not Memorial Day. But, on Memorial Day, go out, enjoy yourselves, enjoy your barbecues and everything else. But please just remember what the day is for, what it's about. It's not about veterans. Please don't thank me for my service. There's Veterans Day. If you really want to thank me for my service or whatever at some point, then you can do that in November and I'll say thank you and I'll appreciate that. But tomorrow is a day to remember people who have given their lives, people who have lost their lives. It is a day of memorializing those who are no longer with us. And so if you have an opportunity, I would definitely go out to some of the various different memorial events that there will be on Memorial Day. I know that here in Kansas City, there's a service at the World War I Memorial. I'm sure that there are military cemeteries near you, or even just cemeteries that will be doing something. Even if you don't have anybody that you are connected to, that has given their life for their country, or who has served this country and is no longer with us, then I would still recommend just go check it out. I think you'll be glad you did. One of the things that I miss about living in California, I lived in Sacramento for 2 years, and there's not a lot that I miss about living in Sacramento. One of the things that I do miss is being able to go to the cemetery where my grandfather is buried. My grandfather, a man by the name of Moreland Tanner, he served in World War II. In 1972, almost 30 years after the end of the war, not quite 30 years, he took his own life. And I wish I would have been able to know him. There's a lot of things about my experience as a veteran that I wish I could talk to him about. I wish I could hear his stories, tell him my experiences, relate with him maybe. Hear some of the lessons that he's had. I don't know, I've gotten the impression through different things with him that he may have suffered from PTSD, and so I count him as casualty of war myself, and I just wish he were around, and he's one person who I will be thinking about on Memorial Day. Go learn some stories of people. Go to some services and take some time, please, on Memorial Day to remember And I've known many people over the years, actually, many good men who are Vietnam veterans, World War II veterans, veterans of Iraq and Afghanistan. Take some time, learn some stories. And, you know, when you're done with all that, and while you're in the middle of doing it, you know, you can remember people all day long. Have a good time. Go out, get something good to eat, you know, roast some bratwurst over fire. This is about the easiest way to cook that I can even think of, right? But, you know, just keep in mind, it isn't a day of celebration. It's a day of remembrance. And especially if you know any Gold Star families, maybe give them a call, take over some cookies, let them know that you appreciate them, you appreciate the sacrifice of their loved ones. That's all I really wanted to talk about today. I hope you all have an enjoyable Memorial Day. I hope that this Memorial Day can be meaningful for you and can be one that helps you to remember the sacrifices of people who've come before you. And yeah, thanks for joining us. Comment below. You know, actually for this video, comment below maybe the name and a story of somebody who you're going to be remembering this year on Memorial Day, or somebody who would be a good one to think about, a good one to remember. I like reading all those stories, and I'd like to hear what stories you have as well. All right. Thanks again for joining us. We'll see you next time.